Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a picture on Facebook story. So here I've already on my Facebook homepage and I'm going to create a story. Just click on this and I'm going to choose this photo, let's say, and if you want to add music to a picture or like a video in Facebook story, you can find it at the right panel here, music. Just click on the music options and then here there are some musics that you can use, and this is the for you options provided by the Facebook, or you can also just choose or search music on your own. Just click on a search column here and type in the keyword, and later the result from the keyword will be appear like this. You can play it first for the preview. I'm going to mute it because I am afraid I'm gonna get copyrighted, and then like this you can preview it first. But if you don't want to preview, you can just click on the music to add it to your photo or video. And you can also change the which part of the songs you want to add to your photo. You can also change what it looks like. It will look like this or like this, or also lyrics, or it will go like this. I'm going to go with this one, and then you can also adjust the size or where to put it. And after that, if you're satisfied, just click on share. Okay, you can choose whether you want to automatically share it to Instagram also, or say share to Facebook only. Okay, it's now processing. So this is my story with music in it. Okay guys, so I think that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.